What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove your TikTok profile picture. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Before we begin, know that TikTok doesn't allow you to remove your profile picture. However, there are two quick useful solutions to circumvent this. Open up your TikTok application on your mobile device and head to the profile section located in the lower right corner of your screen. On the profile page, tap on Edit Profile and then Change Photo. You'll be presented with three options, and for our first solution to removing the profile picture, select Take Photo. This will open up your device's camera, and all that you have to do is either completely block the camera vision or point towards a plain dark background. Now, tap on Use Photo and then Save. Your TikTok profile picture will be replaced with a black image. As for the other solution, open up your preferred browser and search for Default Profile Picture Creative Commons Wiki. Click on the first image you see and save it to your mobile device's photo gallery. When this is done, head back to your TikTok application and tap on Change Photo. This time, choose Upload Photo and proceed to select the picture that we just downloaded. Click Save and your TikTok profile picture will be successfully removed. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.